Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to track IT asset life cycles in Monday.com. First up, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the main dashboard. This is where you'll get a bird's eye view of all your projects. We start here because it gives us a foundation to build on, and it's crucial to have a clear overview of your assets. Next up, click on the New button to create a new board for your IT assets. You'll want to name it something like IT Asset Lifecycles. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and in one place. This way, you can track each asset from acquisition to disposal effectively. Now that we've done that, it's time to add the various stages of your IT assets lifecycle as columns in the board. Stages could include acquisition, deployment, maintenance, decommissioning, and disposal. These columns help us see the progress of each asset at a glance, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking IT assets in stages helps you plan for replacements, schedule maintenance, and avoid unnecessary costs. It's all about maximizing the value of your assets. Next, you'll want to start adding your IT assets as items under each stage. You can even add additional information, such as purchase date, warranty expiration, and maintenance schedules. This helps us because it provides crucial details at our fingertips, enabling proactive asset management. Lastly, remember to update the status of each asset as it moves through its life cycle. This is key because it helps maintain real-time accurate data, thereby facilitating informed decision-making. And that's it. You've successfully set up IT asset lifecycle tracking in Monday.com. Remember, the key to effective IT asset management is regular updates and reviews. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy tracking.